Hari Om friends. There comes a stage in everyone's life where the thought is, the search is, the question is, why me? Why am I going through all these situations in life? What have I done to deserve this? And you feel helpless, supportless, and you want answers, and it is extremely difficult to get answers which is suitable for you, convincing for you. Why I'm telling you is, we ask this question, why me, only when we are going through tough times, challenging times, when the situation appears way beyond our potential, our control. We seldom ask the question, why me, when we are going through good times in life. When everything is right, we seldom, we don't ask this question, why me? I'm not saying you should ask this question. When you ask this question and when you feel grateful, when you feel joyful in ways you have to be, then when things are not going right, you will not ask the question, why me? At that point of time, the thought should be, what is my contribution to this situation? What have I done to go through this? Is there any way I have contributed to this situation I'm facing? Is there a way I can improve on my side so that I don't go through this situation again? Why I'm telling you is, your questions sets the thought process in the right direction. Otherwise, why me? You will never find satisfying, convincing answers for yourself. So, then in fact, if you observe, why me? If you ask that question with the intellect, maybe it will give you a direction to work on yourself, to improve on your spiritual alignment, maybe bring in the more of your intellect, take guidance from wise people, take the suggestions of the scriptures. Maybe you will enhance your efforts on your spiritual path, becoming a better version of yourself, and that will eventually help in the quality of your life. And over a period of time, you'll understand everything happens for a reason, and certain difficult situation we have to go through so that you can rise above them. And situations are not easy for everybody, so think about it and see, when things are not right, have the right company, associate with people who are wise and are in the spiritual alignment, and you will always find it will help you in improving yourself. Think about it, ask the right questions about life, and see your way through all the challenges. Best wishes.